I'm here June. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken with orange chicken. So am I going to show you step by step because with the orange chicken a bit ingredients, so I'll show you step by step. That way will be easy for you to follow. So here is I show you how to marinate chicken. Here is my ingredient. I have around 500 grams of chicken breast and I already clean and cut it, and I cut in cube pieces like this. And here is garlic powder, and here is white pepper, and here is my salt. So what I'm going to do is I put around a quarter teaspoon of salt over the chicken, and also quarter of garlic powder, and also quarter of white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can also use black pepper, but I go through with white pepper. Okay. So now I put everything ready. I have to make it well. Mix all together well and let it sit aside for 15 to 20 minutes, so all can have a time to combine together with salt, pepper and garlic powder. Here you just mix it well. So now my chicken, I make it well, so I let it sit aside for 15 to 20 minutes before I'm starting cooking. So while my chicken been sitting aside for 15 to 20 minutes, so now we let make a sauce. So I show you how to make the sauce. Here all my ingredients. I have 1 cup of orange juice, and you can also use fresh orange juice too, but here I use in the can. And 1 teaspoon of oranges here. We put all in the bowl. And I have 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, all in here. And I have 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. I have 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. And 1 tablespoon of chili paste. This is not spicy at all, just a little bit sweet and a little bit very light spicy. If you don't like, you no need to put it too, but for us we like it, so go with it. And 1 tablespoon of white sugar here, so pour it all in here. And 1 teaspoon of cornflour, and I make 1 tablespoon with it, so make it well and pour it all, everything in here. So now we're going to start mix everything together for the sauce. So my sauce is ready to cooking. So now I'm going to show you how to make butter for frying chicken. So you need to make butter is I have a half cup of cornflour, so put in here, and half cup of plain flour, put all together in here, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder in here, and here is garlic powder. You just put around quarter teaspoon, so Just put in here. And here is pepper. You just put a pinch of pepper or 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And here is I have around 1 cup of water. You just pour in here. And you have 1 egg, put inside here. And put oil, cooking oil around 2 tablespoons. So you just combine everything well, make it well to make a smooth batter. To make it runny. So here I've been make everything together very well and very smooth butter. Here running like that, no lump, nothing, can running like that. So the chicken I've been seasoned early, around 15 to 20 minutes now. So what I'm doing is I put all chicken in here and to mix it well together with the butter. Yeah. Make it well here like that to let butter running. So now it's my butter and the chicken is ready for cooking. So now we start cooking, fry our chicken. So here's my oil. And I just show you quickly, you test the oil with the chopstick or with the scooter here. What you do is you put here, on here, and that means it's the oil boiling like that is hot. And anything you do deep fry thing, you must to the oil must be very hot. So here I'm going to put one by one my chicken breast in here. So now I put everything all, I add it all, so give a stir, give a turn, so the oil can cook well everything here. So stir fry this is light golden, just light golden. So now a little bit light golden, you take it out, or to refry it again later because you want to a little more crispy. You have to refry it 2 times. So I am remove all the little crunch, so when it burn, so I'm put it to fry one more time to let it little more crispy and golden. If you want the chicken a bit crispy, so this is I like it with the more crispy. So let it fry it. So after a few minutes, is my chicken or both sides are golden brown. So I'm turn off the heat and put it tray it to the paper towel. So all are golden. So here my chicken been fried already, so golden and crispy, very nice. So now I'm keep it aside. So am I going to make a sauce? So now let it make sauce. So I put around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in my hot frying pan, my wok. And here I've been chopped up around 3 cloves garlic and 1 small piece of ginger. So I put all in here. To give a good fry, stir fry. That is a good smell coming up. So now my garlic and ginger is golden brown. So I'm going to put my sauce inside that I've been made early. Give a good stir. Yeah. And pour all in here. And let it boil it. Good mix. So now my sauce is boiling and starting a bit thicker. And here is my deep fried chicken before. So I'm going to add all my chicken here in the sauce. And stir it well. Cool the sauce and make everything with the sauce. So good. So now turn it off. So my orange chicken is done. It's time to dry it up. So here is my orange chicken. It's been done and look so gorgeous and matched with orange. So I hope you guys enjoyed my videos and please visit my website and hope see you again soon. Bye bye.